Contained within the walls of this glass bottle lies a true marvel of the brewing world. This smooth, soothing, and angelic liquor is a great addition to any night out. But as delightful as it seems, this liquor also harbors a demon within. One may ponder, as you sit back, sipping upon this glorious beverage, how is it so smooth? Surely there can't be much alcohol content. This, sir, is where you are wrong. However smooth, soothing, and angelic it seems, this beverage is of full strength. It has caught out many an unsuspecting victim. So here is your formal warning. Bearded Wonder Coconut Rum, despite its taste, has an alcohol content between 35 and 42% alcohol per volume. So please consume responsibly. Bearded Wonder Breweries takes no responsibility for any injuries, loss of property, or damages resulting from the consumption of this glorious beverage. Known side effects are, but not limited to, blurred vision, slurred speech, severe impairment of coordination, loss of consciousness, penchant for peculiar headwear, headbutting walls, and to date the worst discovered side effect of deluding yourself into assuming the persona of a member of a famous band and using that to fuck fat chicks. Bearded Wonder. It gets a bloody start.